Good morning, children. Welcome to the online computer class. I am Preeti Kumar. Before we start, let us observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Open your eyes, children. Let's get started. As you know, children, we are doing Microsoft PowerPoint, and in our previous session we have learned about how powerful presentation we can make with the help of PowerPoint application. So now in today's session we will learn how we create a PowerPoint presentation using different commands. Let's get started. Okay, children, let's get started. And you can see, children, here I have pinned this icon of PowerPoint on my taskbar. So just simply I click on it, and as soon as I click on it, I will get this application on my screen. Okay, so here whenever you open the PowerPoint presentation, by default name presentation 1 you will get on the title bar, and when you save your presentation, then it will takes that name. Okay, so now children, this is a slide. As you know, slide is a page of PowerPoint where you can work on it, and presentation presentation is a collection of many slides. So here, how to make a PowerPoint presentation? So you have to first work on the slide. So you can see these two boxes on the slide. These boxes help us to add text, video, audio, anything we want for our presentation. And this box is called placeholder. This dotted box is called placeholder. Okay, and children, the slide which you are seeing on the screen, this is title slide. This slide's name is title slide because generally we give title in this slide. So simply what you have to do, just click inside the box. Simple click on the inside the box, then you will see the cursor will start blinking, and now you can add your title. Software. So my topic is software. If you want to add any subtitle, you can simply add the subtitle here. Suppose many times we add who made this presentation. So made by, I am taking the name Rishi. So this way, very simply you can add the text inside in your box. If I need anything else like video, animation, that also I can add here. So we will add later on. Just now, children, you know, presentation is a collection of slides. Now I am going to make a presentation on this topic software. So how do we add new slide in this? So there is a very simple method. Go on Home, tab, Slides group, and then choose the new slide option. So as soon as you click on the new slide option, you will get these 9 types of layout here. So whichever layout you want, you can choose. Just now I told, by default, whenever you open your PowerPoint presentation, you will get the first slide, that is title slide. Don't get confused between title and title only. These are two different slides. Here it is title only, the 6th number slide, and the 1st number slide is title slide. So by default slide is title slide. Then now I want title and content. So I will click on this title and content, and you see I will get the placeholder like this. This is the bigger placeholder and this is for heading. Okay, so here I will again add the heading software because I want to give the definition of software. So here I'll type software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. So this is the definition of software. Here I'll give. So this way I have added one slide in my presentation. There is another method to enter the slide. So what is that method? Simply you go in your left hand side and place your pointer here, cursor pointer here, and right click your mouse button, and then you can see this context box and then context menu, and then you can click on the new slide option. So you will see the third numbered slide is added. This is the second method to add the slide in your presentation. Now there is a third method also. What is that third method? Simply you can use shortcut key. So what is the shortcut key? CTRL plus M. M, not N. N is for new presentation. This is for new slide, and CTRL plus N. N is for new presentation. If you want to make a new presentation, then you can use this key combination. Okay, so now I am going to press the control. I will not leave the key, and then I'll press the M button. So you can see the number 4 slide is added automatically. Okay, so this way you can use all these three methods to enter the new slide in your presentation. So this way you can type the topic according to your content, according to your presentation. Now children, I'll tell you how to save your work. So first time when you save your work, you can use your we use save as command. So you can use the shortcut key F12. So as soon as you press the F12, this dialog box will appear, and you can see the first word of the PowerPoint presentation. It has taken as a software. So if you want to keep this name, you can keep it. If you want to change, then you can change. So just simply press the backspace. Now I want to save this with the name Rishi. So simply, and where you want to save, that also you choose the location. Suppose you want to save it on the desktop or in the document. I am saving on the desktop. So I'll just choose the desktop and say save. So this way you can save your file. This is the one method by pressing F12 key. This is the function key. Or you go on the file tab and choose save as option. So again this dialog box will come, and it is giving the name Rishi because it is already saved. So I'm just saying cancel. Okay, so this is the second method. And in between, when you are working, keep on pressing Ctrl S key to save your work on the frequently save your work frequently, that you cannot lose your work in between by any such power failure or something like that. So this is also very important that you are keep on saving your work frequently. So that is Ctrl S to save your PowerPoint presentation. Now children, if you want to close your presentation, so simply what you have to do, go on file and choose the close option. So it will say, do you want to save the changes you made to Rishi? I say yes. So save. And you see here your presentation is closed, but your application is still on the screen. Now if you want to open a new presentation, just now I told you the shortcut key, you can press Ctrl plus N key. So automatically you will see the title slide has come on the screen, and you can see on the title bar the name is coming presentation 2. Okay, so this way you can open the new presentation in your PowerPoint PowerPoint. Now you can use even the option file, and you can click on the new option, and then it will ask you which type of presentation you want. You want blank presentation, or you want to use any sample of it. So here what you say, create. I am choosing this blank presentation, and then I will say create. So simply now you can see on the title bar presentation 3 is coming. Okay, so now we have two presentations open, presentation 2 and presentation 3. Now I want to close this presentation, so simply I'll go file and say close. Okay, now again I am on the presentation 2. I don't want this, so I'll say close. Okay, so this way you can close your presentation. If you want to come back to your previous saved presentation, so what should you do? Click on the file and say open, and now it will ask you which file you want to open. So you go to desktop, and my file was Rishi, so just I click on the Rishi and say open. So this way I can open the PowerPoint presentation. And I hope children, all of you remember what is the shortcut key to open. So it is again CTRL plus O. So if you use this combination key, then also you will open the old saved file from your PowerPoint. Now I want to close, so I'll just say close this, and it is asking save, then it will say save. Now if you want to close the application, then what you will do? Just simply you can go to file and say exit. This is the first method, or you can close it from this red button at the right top corner and click on this close button, or you can press the Alt plus F4 key also. You can even press Alt plus F4 key. So I'm just opening my Rishi file, and then I will type the shortcut key for it. Alt plus F4. F4 is a function key. So F4. So you press this key together, then it will be closed. Alt Alt plus F4 key together to close the application. So this way, I hope children, all of you understood how to close and how to save your work, how to open a old file, and how to give name to your presentation. As you see, it is coming here now Rishi as a file name. Now children, I am closing this, and you keep on practice. Thank you.